Welcome back to Fix It Design. Today's video is packed with inspiration, especially for those working with smaller spaces. We're bringing you 100+ small kitchen design ideas for 2025, loaded with modern decor inspiration and the latest kitchen trends to help you maximize style and functionality. Whether you're designing a tiny apartment kitchen or updating a compact cooking space in your home, these fresh ideas will help you turn every square foot into something truly special. Section 1. Small kitchens, big potential. Just because your kitchen is small doesn't mean you have to sacrifice style or comfort. In fact, smaller kitchens offer the chance to get creative with smart layouts, multifunctional pieces, and bold design details. In 2025, designers are focusing on open shelving, vertical storage, hidden appliances, and minimalist finishes to give small kitchens a big personality. With thoughtful planning and the right materials, even the tiniest kitchens can feel open, functional, and luxurious. Section 2. Layouts that work. Let's talk about layouts. The most popular small kitchen layouts for 2025 are single-wall kitchens, L-shaped kitchens, and galley styles. These layouts maximize floor space while keeping everything within easy reach. For tight areas, the single-wall kitchen is perfect. Everything is streamlined in one sleek row. The L shape is ideal for corners and offers flexibility with open-plan living areas. And galley kitchens, with their double-wall setup, are making a stylish comeback with updated lighting and contrasting finishes. Section 3. Color trends for small spaces. Color plays a huge role in how a small kitchen feels. In 2025, the go-to shades are soft sage green, creamy off-white, pale gray, dusty blue, and warm sand tones. These colors create a soothing, spacious feel. For a modern touch, many homeowners are adding bold accents like matte black hardware, brass fixtures, or a pop of color on the lower cabinets. Another big trend is using two-tone cabinets, light uppers and darker lowers, to visually open up the room while adding depth. Section 4. Space-saving cabinet ideas. Smart cabinetry is everything in a small kitchen. In 2025, expect to see pull-out drawers, built-in spice racks, corner storage solutions, and sliding pantry systems that keep your essentials organized without wasting space. Glass front cabinets or open shelving can also make your kitchen feel more open, especially when paired with backlighting or decorative items like pottery and cookbooks. And don't forget to take advantage of vertical space. Tall cabinets that go to the ceiling are both practical and trendy. Section 5. Backsplashes and countertops that shine. Even a small backsplash can become a show-stopping feature. This year, textured stone, handmade tiles, and full-slab marble backsplashes are trending big. These add depth and character without overwhelming the space. For countertops, materials like quartz, terrazzo, and concrete are stylish yet compact-friendly. Lighter tones reflect more light and help visually expand your kitchen, while waterfall edges or slim-profile counters create a high-end finish even in tight spaces. Section 6. Lighting that makes a difference. Lighting can completely change how your small kitchen feels. In 2025, layered lighting is the way to go. Combine recessed ceiling lights, under-cabinet LEDs, and a stylish pendant or two to add both function and flair. A well-lit kitchen looks bigger, cleaner, and more inviting. And if your kitchen has a window, let that natural light shine. Reflective finishes and mirrors can also help bounce light around, making the space feel airy and open. Section 7. Finishing touches and styling trends. When it comes to styling, 2025 is all about mixing modern simplicity with cozy, personal touches. Add decorative jars, wooden cutting boards, herb planters, or art prints to bring character without clutter. Small kitchens look best when everything has its place, so opt for minimal countertop decor, integrated appliances, and multi-use furniture like extendable tables or island carts. Smart is stylish in 2025, and your small kitchen can prove that in every detail. And there you have it, 100+ modern small kitchen ideas to inspire your dream space in 2025. Whether you're working with just a few square feet or planning a major remodel, remember, great design isn't about size, it's about smart solutions and stylish execution. Drop a comment and let us know which idea was your favorite, or how you plan to update your kitchen this year. Don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell for more stunning home decor ideas every week, only here on Fix It Design. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.